Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create a Udemy account. So first, I want you to come here to udemy.com, and what you can do is click on sign up here at the top right, okay? And there's multiple options to go ahead and sign up. You can sign up with your full name and email address, or you can go ahead and use Google account, Facebook, or even an Apple account. What I'll do is I'll choose Google account, and I will sign up with this Google account right here. And when you get this prompt, just go ahead and click on continue to share your name, email address, and a profile picture with Udemy so they can verify who you are. And after this, you will be redirected again to udemy.com. Okay, as you can see, my name is right here. And if I want, I can go ahead and further add some details to my profile, for example, my occupation and interest, so that they can go ahead and tailor courses according to my profile. So here, if you currently manage people, you can go ahead and say that if you do, and what field you are currently learning for to recommend you appropriate content. All right, so there you go, finance and accounting. I currently do not manage anyone. We'll go ahead and click on next. And here we are going to choose our occupation. So let's say you are an accountant or a financial analyst, whatever it is, can go ahead and click on next. And now we just personalize your skills. What kind of skills are you interested in? Different software. Maybe you want to learn QuickBooks, Microsoft Excel, things that are relevant for that position. So you can choose other things as well. Yes, I would like to learn these as well. So we'll go ahead and take these. You can choose as many as you would like. And then just go ahead and click on next again. Of course, at any point in time, you can just go ahead and save and exit. Now here, if you're interested in any certification, you can go ahead and choose that one right here. So these are the popular ones for learners that fit my profile. I'll choose these ones. This one is great, actually. Okay. We'll do these. These are all very, very relevant to what we're doing. So we'll go ahead and click on submit right here, and they will redirect us with a new learning section and tailored recommendations. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.